Today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is 3 women arrested after attacking cops over a $1 pizza. Let's get into it.
911.
Hi, can I get a piece of police to the ghetto gas? Seen it?
What's going on?
Yeah, you need to give me my $12.
I'm not giving you anything. You need to leave or you'll be under arrest for trespassing.
Ain't nobody trespassing.
I know. You are now being told to leave. You're now being trespassed.
Let them sleep. I swear to God, let them sleep. I tell you, y'all bitches ain't fucking racist.
Because they don't want to give me my money back for this pizza, and I don't want it.
What's your name?
My name Coco.
Coco, what's your last name?
Milk.
Okay, I'll get somebody out there.
What began as a dispute between 3 women and a clerk at a convenience store rapidly escalated when the women made a scene over a pizza.
Hello?
Yeah, they charged me for a pizza. Now he's telling me I owe him $1. I don't even want the pizza. He left. Him and his wife just left. Some black girl in there. And they didn't give me my $12 back, so I want my money back. I don't want the pizza. I don't even trust the pizza. I don't care.
And you already know I don't even play with people. So now she gotta wait till somebody to refund from Goldie. I'm not giving her shit.
They came back for another, but the situation turned sour when they began to complain that the pizza was cold. The situation escalated when they sought a refund and ultimately called 911.
I told them I was going to send my stepdaddy up here to get the pizza. She gets on the phone telling me about $1. I said, what's the $1 for? I already paid for the pizza. Go to receipt right here. I got some other shit. The kids and shit didn't ate that shit already. That was 40 minutes ago. I don't even want the pizza. I don't trust the pizza.
Remind you.
Can I get my $12?
The suspects were blurred due to a technical error, but if you watch closely, you can see the women escalating the situation, even after officers offered to give them $1 in an attempt to de-escalate the issue.
I'll pay the $1.
Okay, I told them I would have paid the damn $1.
It ain't about the $1, baby. I got plenty of money.
It's not even about
It's
you.
not about the $1.
My boss.
I got plenty of money, baby. Plenty of money in here. It's not about the $1. It's not about the $1. It's not about the $1.
This isn't.
It's not about the $1.
This is not her fault.
I wasn't
Okay, but call Goldie and them back up here, because I don't want the pizza.
I'm the manager. They ain't coming back. They gotta go to the doctor. They ain't coming back. That's why I'm
Okay,
here.
well, give me my $12 back, because I don't want the pizza.
It's already paid for. It's already made.
I don't want it. That's fine. Stay in the kitchen. I'll throw it away later.
Then I'll do a couple more.
What? Oh my God. This is one of the craziest builds I've seen. Yo, I didn't even know they make them like this no more. Yo, this is one of the craziest body types I didn't. This is she. I'm sorry. I know I'm not skinny. Look, you know, I'm not skinny, man. But this here is yeah, this is bad work. I mean, she need to stay far away from any type of pizza, man, at all costs, man. At all costs. Please just stay away from the pizza.
White.
I'm sorry, what?
Customer is white.
What y'all gonna do about the pizza? Because I don't want it. And can I get
Well,
my
I mean,
$12 back?
you don't have to come down here and buy anything from them. You know what I mean? That's,
They didn't tell me that.
So when he came to pizza,
I don't even trust the pizza.
paid for. That's cool.
so where we're at here,
Is y'all gonna give me my $12?
I'm not giving you anything.
Could they give me my $12 back? I don't want the
I
pizza.
don't believe that they can because the pizza was made.
That
don't make no
So do you want your pizza?
I don't want the pizza.
As long as you want the pizza, if they like.
Okay. So you can file a civil suit against them for $12.
$12?
I'm saying that's it. It's a civil
Call
situation.
the back up here, or whoever his name is. I'm not from down here. I don't know what's going on.
Their pizza. They said that she could have the pizza.
No, she can't have the pizza. It gotta be something. You gotta be that $12 to my sister, or it's gonna be that. What are you talking about?
Don't crush me in the comment section. I'm just shooting my shot here. I do have a Patreon. If you didn't know, go check it out. The link is in the description box. See what we got going on. It's the best way to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
You charge somebody a certain price. You tell me that the pizza is $11.99, $12. You don't tell me about it, don't charge the fee. I tell you it's gonna be ready in 20 minutes. Come back in 20 minutes. You owe me $1.
Yo, man, so him trying to get over.
You gonna pay the extra $1 if somebody told you that they owe you extra
This is all over $1.
Are you one of the Are you in a cash? Are you I don't want the piece.
Yeah, it's $1.
Okay.
It's the principle of the situation
Here's
that's
the
why I'm not getting.
You know, if motherfucker would have asked you for $1, you know you would have paid that $1, right? Fuck out of here.
Ain't no
You
deal.
can have your pizza.
I don't want that pizza.
Then you need to leave.
You need to give me my $12.
I'm not giving you anything. You need to leave or you'll be under arrest for trespassing.
Ain't nobody trespassing.
I know. You are now being told to leave.
You're now being trespassed, so get out.
I swear to God, let this I tell you. Y'all bitches out here.
Don't you push on me.
Hey, don't push my fucking
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch my fucking.
Get off. Get back. Everybody. Police officers. Walk to the police. Get off.
Now.
Don't touch it. I don't get no fuck.
You're under arrest.
You are getting what you are going to you want to be released.
You want to get back right now.
This is a special type of creature, man. These cops better watch out, man. These are different types of builds right here.
Turn around. Right now.
This is insane.
Get off now.
You want to really assistance here right now.
Come on, officers. Y'all better get them together. Get them tasers out, man. Get them right. Hold on now. Don't put her against. It might dent the car. Hold up.
Get up on your knees.
Let me stand up. Let me
All right, get up.
I know they worn out, boy.
Y'all touching on me. Y'all need to take these handcuffs out.
Walk to that car. No.
Call my
Walk
lawyer.
to that car.
Call my lawyer.
Okay, you can call your lawyer.
Call my lawyer. Make sure they know. I'm in the middle of a injury lawsuit.
Come on.
And he pushed me. So I did put my hands on him.
What's your name?
Get all their names. What's all their names?
Sit down now. Have a seat. Sit down, please.
Shut the fuck down, man.
Y'all all should be going to jail.
Sit down in the car. Sit down in the car. Get in the
Talking about what's your name?
His name is Kingdom.
Sit down. You're gonna get off.
His name is Briar. His name is
Your name will
Garmy.
be on your.
Kingdom Briar
Step back. You can record this back there, okay?
Get him. He pushed me.
Get in the car. Get in the car. His name is Gearhart. We have all the information.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Get him. He the one that pushed me.
Don't touch me.
Just step back. You can record. You can record. Just step back.
Don't touch me.
You can record. Just
Don't
step
touch
back
me.
there.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. Just step back.
Because I'm going to sue the fuck out of your bitch. Don't touch me.
Really?
No, but she not hard, that bitch. She not hard. She not hard.
95.
What?
All right, you're under arrest also.
I'm not under arrest.
You're gonna be under arrest.
Don't touch me.
Yep. Hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not under arrest for shit.
Yes, you are. We're
Yes, you are.
right now. You are.
All of them should be going. That's a fact. Oh,
KK! KK!
golly. These are different type of creatures, boy. All right.
KK! KK!
Do not kick.
Right now. Take it.
These are a rare breed. You don't get to see these too often. These are a rare breed.
Put your hands behind
You
your back.
stepping on my glass.
Put
I
your
need my
fucking
glass.
hands behind your back.
Can I have my glass?
Yes, ma'am. We'll
I
get your
can't
glasses.
have my glass.
We'll get your glasses. Just like up here. Roll to your side. Roll to your side. And roll to your side.
No, I cannot. My side hurt. I'm in the middle of the lawsuit. I just got out of an accident.
Okay.
I'm suing the f*** out of y'all.
We're gonna help you get.
KK! KK! KK!
All right, we're gonna get you up to your feet, okay?
I don't want y'all to touch me. Don't
We're
touch
gonna have to help you get to your
Please don't
feet.
touch me. Don't touch me.
Get up.
Don't touch me. Y'all gonna be here for all day. Don't touch me.
Oh, that's not gonna happen. We can't get up.
Don't touch me. Send me a woman cop. Don't touch me.
All right, let's figure out. All right.
Do not touch me.
It doesn't matter.
Don't touch me.
Stand up.
Take your legs off.
Don't touch me.
Stand up.
Don't touch me.
Hey!
Oh, good. They got her locked up too.
Shoe.
Good.
Bro, he just choked me in some shit, bro. Like, what the f? Like, come on now, bro. Then he just slammed me on the ground, gang. And he hurt my f***ing neck, bro. What the f?
Should have been acting right.
Like,
You ain't acting right.
It's so f***ing stupid and retarded, bro. Like, bro, what the fuck? Y'all don't understand shit, bro. He just put his hands on me, then he choked me, bro. What the fuck, man? Then you just slammed me on the ground, bro. What the fuck? Then you trying to put your neck in my knee.
The women were given their money back. No, just kidding. On a serious note, they were hit with 3 felony charges of battery on an officer. This may be a learning lesson, or this may be about the...
Good. Good. Good for them. Wow. Wow, we don't really get to see those type of yeah, very rarely do we see those builds. And those are really a rare breed. Yeah. Yeah, that's the 300-pound plus club right there. That's whew, man, I know them officers had a workout, boy. Anyway, all over $1 or $12 or whatever it was, like, you can't make it up, man. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good. As long as all of them got arrested, great job, because I thought they was gonna let the other 2 go after the whole thing. Like, I'm glad they got all of them, because all of them definitely deserve to go to jail, man. So kudos to them. I'm giving them, man, I would have gave a 4 out of 5, but I gotta give a 5 out of 5 just because of the extra weight that they had to endure. So I know, it really put a strain on their back and stuff like that. They probably got a workers' comp case for this one, because this was definitely a workout, man. But anyway, yeah, so let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.